Hello everyone, in this tutorial we will create the rear mudguard. It will be created by using the surface modeling tools. The different views and the dimension of the rear mudguard are shown on the right side of the screen. So let's start. Double click on the screen and choose the part button. Now creating the base feature of the model. The base feature of the model is the revolved surface created by revolving a sketch along a center line. Go to Sketch Command Manager and select the sketch button and choose the right plane as the sketching plane. Click here. Now we will create the sketch. From the Sketch Command Manager, go to Line drop down and choose the center line, and from the options select the infinite length. Now click on the origin and create one vertical line and choose the OK button. Next, go to Arc drop down, select the center point arc, click on the origin and create one arc. Click here and here. Now go to Smart Dimension, select this arc and here put the value 127 and enter. Now choose the OK button. Again go to Smart Dimension, click on this point and the origin, and here put the value 60 and enter. Choose the OK button. Now go to Display and Delete Relations drop down, go to Add Relation. In the selected entities, select the midpoint of the arc and the line and give a relation coincident and choose the OK button. Now go to Line drop down, choose the line tool, click here, click here, click here. Now create the arc by moving the cursor. Click here and create one vertical line. Now go to Smart Dimension, select this line and put the value 127 and enter. Select this line and put the value 51 and enter. Select this line and this line and put the value 178 and enter. Select this arc and put the value 180.3 and enter. Select this line and put the value 152 and enter. Select this line and the center line and here put the value 190.5 and enter and choose the OK button. Now go to Display and Delete Relations drop down, go to Add Relation. In the selected entities, select this point and give a relation vertical and choose the OK button. Now go to Line drop down, select the center line and choose the infinite length. Click here and create one horizontal line. Now choose the OK button. Now go to Mirror Entities. The Mirror Property Manager is displayed. From the Entities to Mirror, select the sketch which we have created and Mirror About, select the center line. Now choose the OK button. Now go to Smart Dimension, select this line and the sketch and put the value 51 and enter. Choose the OK button. Now go to Surface Command Manager and choose the Revolve Surfaces tool. Surface Revolve Property Manager is displayed. In the axis of revolution, click here and select the horizontal line which we have created. Click here and in the angle put the value 65 and enter and choose the OK button. Now we will trim the unwanted surfaces, for which first we have to create the sketch. Now go to Sketch Command Manager and choose the sketch button Now expand the feature manager design tree and select the front plane as the sketching plane. Click here. Go to line drop down, select the center line and click here. Create one horizontal line. Again go to line drop down and choose the line tool. Click here and click here. Choose the escape button. Now go to smart dimension. Select this line and put the value 26.7 and enter and choose the OK button. Now choose the sketch which we have created for the service revolve and choose the I button. Now go to smart dimension, click here and click here. And put the value 157.5 and enter and choose the OK button. Now exit from the sketch environment by clicking on the confirmation corner. Click here. Now go to surface command manager and select the trim surface tool. The trim surface property manager is displayed. From the trim type, it will be standard. In the trim tool, select the sketch which we have created and click here and here. Now choose the OK button. Now select the sketch of the surface revolve 1 and choose the hide button. Now trimming the remaining unwanted surfaces by using the sketch entity as the trim tool. Now go to sketch command manager and select the sketch button and expand the feature manager design tree and choose the front plane as the sketching plane. Now we will create the sketch. Go to the 3-point arc tool, click here. Now create the arc, click here and here. Choose the OK button. Now go to smart dimension, select this arc and put the value 438.15. Click here and here and the center point and put the value 47 and enter. Choose the OK button. Now go to convert entities to convert, click here, choose the OK button. Now go to offset entities and in the parameters here put the value 102 and enter and select this line and choose the OK button. Now go to line tool, click here and here. Now go to trim entities, trim here and here. Choose the OK button. Go to smart dimension, select this line and put the value 102. Select this point and here put the value 34.29 and enter and choose the OK button. Again go to line tool and select the line, click here and here. Go to trim entities, trim here, choose the OK button. Go to display and delete relations drop down, go to add relation. In the selected entities, select this line and give a relation equal. Choose the OK button. Again go to display and delete relations drop down, go to add relation. In the selected entities, select this arc and give a relation cordial. Now choose the OK button. Select this line and give a relation horizontal. Choose the OK button. Now go to smart dimension, select this arc and put the value 444.5 and enter. Select, click on this point, select on this point and this point and put the value 35. choose the OK button. Now go to line drop down, select the center line, click here and create one vertical line. Now go to arc drop down, select the 3-point arc, click on this point and this point and click here, choose the OK button. Go to smart dimension, select this point and here put the value 87.63 and enter. Click here and here and put the value 102 and enter. Select this arc and put the value 260.35 and enter. Click here, here and here and put the value 84.35 and enter and choose the OK button. Click here. Now exit from the sketch environment by clicking on the confirmation corner. Click here. Go to Surface Command Manager and select the trim surface. In the trim type, it will be standard. The trim tool, select here, expand the feature manager design tree and select the sketch 3 and click here and select here and choose the OK button. Now we need to apply fillet of radius 38.1 mm on the sharp edges of surface model by using the fillet tool. Now go to Features Command Manager and select the fillet tool. The fillet property manager is displayed. From the items to fillet, click here and select all the sharp edges. Select here and here and same here and here. Here put the value 38.1 and enter and choose the OK button. Now we need to convert the surface model into a solid model by adding the thickness of 2.5 mm. Go to Surface Command Manager and select the thickness tool. Click here. In the thickness parameter, select here and click here and select thickness side 2. Click here and here put the value 2.5 and enter and choose the OK button. Now we will assign color to the model using the color property manager. Select the edit appearance, click here and choose the black color and choose the OK button. And this is how our model will look like after assigning the color. Now saving the model in a dedicated folder, go to Save drop down and choose the Save As button. Go to Documents and select the motorcycle project folder and here name it as rear mudguard and choose the Save button. Thanks for watching the video.